Hey guys, I'm Charles Neal. Over the last couple weeks, we've been doing some YouTubes on various construction of beds. And we just put up one on using bed bolts, and we were talking about how nice and sturdy it makes the bed. And then it occurred to me, the slats. We've been making our slats just a little bit different for a long, long time. And all we do is we simply make what you would call a T-slot or a T-bar. We simply take a piece of wood, usually about 7/8, about 2.5 wide, and then we dado it. Then into that we set another member. Now, when we do it, what we do is we glue it and screw it. You notice we got a little angle here, and we have a space right here. And what that does is that allows it to set over top of the cleat that's installed on the actual bed rail. And there you go. You know, typically on a queen, we'll put 5 slats. On a king, we'll usually put 6. Because on a king bed, you know, most king beds require a center support. And that's because whether it's a king or a California king, you're going to have dual box springs. And with this slat system, we've never had to do that. And they don't sag, man, nothing. Perfect. Now here's another little tip. Typically period beds, and you know I'm talking like pencil post and Sheridan post and just period beds in general, the bed is elevated off the floor. You want your side rail a little higher on the post. Now that presents an issue modern day, because most of your modern day mattresses and box springs are made to go on metal frames, very low to the ground. And when you put it on a period bed where the side rail's higher, then they're way too high. So what we came up and been doing forever is we simply eliminate the box spring. And what we do is we lay plywood over the slats. Now we always finish our plywood, and then we'll take a sheet or some type of fabric and cover the plywood and just put the mattress right down on top of it. I mean, all really a box spring is a foundation. And plywood does just fine, works perfect. So if you run into that issue, give it a try. Works great. I'm Charles Neal. I'll catch you later.